Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Chidima of ucnoeline Beauty Empire and you are highly welcome. And for you my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. So guys, today's video I want to show you how I make this beautiful crochet wig, and if you're interested, please stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, as you can see, what I'm using is a 13x6 frontal. Don't worry, I have a detailed video on how to sew your 13x6 frontal to your wig cap, which I will post somewhere on the screen here or check at on my description box. So guys, I went off camera to sew in the 13x6 frontal. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you how I did the crocheting. I'm using a small crochet pin for this hairstyle. You can use a bigger one, but I think I prefer this smallest. I think this is the smallest crochet pin. I prefer it because it will make me to pick the hair as tiny as possible. So I'm going to crochet tiny pieces of hair or tiny amount of hair to the wig cap using the crochet method. If you know how to crochet hair, it's the same thing, just that the amount of hair to use to crochet will be different. Okay, so I'm going to crochet it this way. For the back side, I think I did a double knotting, but you can still get away with a single knotting. Nothing will happen to it. It will be okay. Everything will be okay. So I make sure I crochet the edges of the cap. I make sure I crochet it. Just do what works for you. Any way you do it, it is fine. But this is the way I want to do it. After crocheting the edges, I make sure I follow the line of the cap around the nape of the cap and all over the edges of the cap. So this is how far I have gone crocheting. As you can see, I'm not using any order to crochet this hair to the wig. I'm just crocheting it randomly. This is how far I've gone crocheting. Now here I'm using my tiny small comb to comb the hair. That's the essence of using tiny amounts. One of the advantages of using crocheting it tiny like this is it will not have bumps. You will not feel any bumps while you touch the hair or when you want to comb the hair. Everything will be smooth. As you can see that I use small comb to comb the hair. I was not feeling any bump while combing the hair. And this is how far I have gone. I'll keep on crocheting it this way till I get to the frontal level. I don't do any other special thing. Keep on crocheting anywhere you see space. You crochet, add air, and all of that till you get to the end. So I'll come back and talk to you guys once I'm done crocheting the whole cap. Okay guys, now that I am done crocheting the hair, the next step I will do is to cut the hair, because I'm doing a blunt cut short wig. So I'm going to cut the hair after I must have finished crocheting the whole cap. So before I go in to cut the hair, I'll first of all pluck the hairline to make it realistic. And for plucking the hairline, as usual, I'm using a pair of tweezers to do that, just to make the hairline, the front line, to look more realistic and not bulky. Okay, so this is me plucking the hairline. As you can see that the hairline is coming to really looking more realistic. Then to cut the hair to blunt cut, I'm going to make sure I comb the hair smoothly. I comb the hair, then I make the hair to fold. As I make the, what is it called, the canvas head to lean forward before I cut the hair. Okay, just make the canvas head to lean forward so that you're able to cut the hair perfectly. So as I have made the canvas head to lean forward, then I'll start cutting the hair. I've already measured the length I want to use. I'm doing a short blunt cut bob wig or so. Yeah, blunt cut wig, and I'm using my pair of scissors to do this. Then after cutting it, I'm not doing any other thing, just to comb it, make sure that everything is, all the cutting, the edges, everything is smooth and well aligned. And as I'm cutting, I'll make sure I go in with the comb to comb the hair. Always comb the hair from time to time as you are cutting, just to see what you are doing, what you are cutting, and to see if everything is coming together the way you want it. And if you're interested to order a wig or my closures, check my description box, the column on my description box that says to order a wig. I'm going to put a link to how where to order any of my products on that description box, that column that says to order a wig. Please make sure you check if you're interested. So this is the final look. This hair is a part free hair. You can part it from any angle, from anywhere, and the parting can go as deep as possible to the middle or any part, because it's a wider frontal. This is a 13x6 frontal. This is what the hair looks like. So I'm going to part it differently so you see how it looks on different style of and pattern. So this is what the hairline, the edges look like. I see it's so realistic. So this is me parting it C curve, that side parting C curve, and this is what it still came out beautiful. This is what it looks like on a C cut pattern, and this is what the back still looks like. So I'm going to part it in the middle. This is what the middle pattern looks like, center pattern. As you can see, the pattern went as far as deep as possible, and this is what the hair looks like where I part it middle pattern. And I'm going to do another side pattern again for you. This is what it looks like. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig. Do you enjoy watching this video? If you did, please comment what you think and like this video, share. And if you have not subscribed to this moment, please subscribe and join this family. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you guys here and see you again in my next video. Bye.